What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. Here I have this manifold template for drilling manifold bolts out. This one is Ford specific. What's nice about this is it comes with these alignment pins. This is the longer one, the shorter one. When you're trying to drill out manifold studs or bolts, a lot of times it's hard to get the drill bit center. So you take these drill bits, comes with 3 of these double-ended smaller drill bits and 1 larger one, and then also a stud extractor. Take this drill bit, attach it to your drill, with this bolted to the engine, and you can drill straight, which makes it a very nice, clean job. If you want this tool, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com, your place for DIY auto repairs, for great parts, great service, and more content.